Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do the Laplace transform by definition. So when you have a function x at t like we have here, and in our case it's equal to 3t times a unit step at 2 times the reflection of the unit step at 5, so basically something that looks like this. That's what this part of the function is here. And we know that the definition of Laplace is from 0 to infinity of the x at t function times e to the negative st dt. So that's the Laplace transform of some x at t, and it's equal to x, big X at s. So I'm just going to rewrite this here and we'll get started. So because we're doing it, actually I'm just going to write the full thing first. So now that we have that right there, we can actually simplify this. Because we're only considering it from 2 to 5, because that's the only non-zero region, we can just rewrite the integral as 2 to 5 and just drop this part entirely. So at this point, we need to do an integration by parts solution. So if you have g prime and h, and you're trying to find the integral of that, it's going to be equal to gh minus g times h prime. So looking at our function, we're going to let t is equal to h and g equal to e to the negative st g prime actually. So we'll start by integrating this and multiplying it by t. So that's the integral of g prime times our h function, which is t. And then we're going to, we're going to add it because we're going to subtract this negative. And note that the integral, the derivative of t is just 1. So we're left with this right here. So when you do that, that's equal to negative e negative st over s minus e to the negative st by s squared. So we've done this right here, and actually I forgot this should have a 3 out in front of it. So we've got this here, and we need to evaluate it from 5 to 2 and multiply it by 3. So let's do that now. And I'm actually going to simplify this here before we take the limit. Forgot to write the t in there. And we could see here that if we multiply this out, we'll just get what's right in here. And if we take it from 5 to 2, we're left with this. Note that's 5s up there. So there you go. There's the Laplace transform by definition of this x to the xt function up there. I'll be posting this full solution in the comments as well. Thanks very much, guys, and thanks for watching.